guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 40th day of the 40 days challenge. Today is the last day of the 40 days challenge and I'm completing this challenge on a very auspicious day of Diwali. Happy and a very prosperous Deepavali to my family and friends and to everybody around the world. Wishing you peace, prosperity and happiness this Diwali. May this Diwali bring you closer to your dreams. Shubh Deepavali to all my Indian friends and family. Deepavali Subhakankshulu. So about Diwali in India, Diwali is much more than just a festival. It's a deeply rooted cultural celebration filled with light, love, food, rituals and most importantly, togetherness of all the family members. Diwali is celebrated differently in different parts of India. But here's the broad look at how the Indian families celebrate Diwali. Cleaning and decorating the home. Every person in the household gets new clothes, so a lot of shopping, accompanied by puja and rituals. Families enjoy preparing sweets together and exchange them with each other. Visiting family and friends, games and gambling, and last but not the least, firecrackers and fun. So everybody, as a child I enjoyed and every Indian kid enjoys bursting crackers on Diwali. Kids in India love to burst crackers, sparklers and fireworks, though many now offer eco-friendly options because of air pollution. In recent years, there's a growing trend towards Green Diwali, which primarily focuses on light over noise. On this auspicious day, I would like to share a very easy and healthy nuts laddu recipe. So this is a wholesome treat you can make in under 30 minutes. These laddus make for an amazing energy and festive gifting. Now let's see how the laddus are done, guys. Add a spoon of ghee. We will roast half a cup of cashew nuts, half a cup of walnuts and half a cup of pistachios. Roast until the nuts turn slightly brown. The nuts are perfectly roasted now. Get this off the heat. We'll add a bit more ghee and roast half a cup of pine nuts, half a cup of pumpkin seeds and half a cup of kismis. At this point, I'll add half a cup of sesame seeds and roast it for a few minutes. It is very important to roast so that the nutty flavor of all these nuts comes out. Now the nuts are perfectly roasted and you can get this off the heat. I will coarsely blend the cashew nuts, walnuts and pistachios. There you go, I'm going to blend this. I transfer the blended nuts into the bowl. To that, I will add half a cup of roasted almond flakes. To this bowl, I'll be adding rest of the roasted nuts like this. And give one good mix so that everything blends in well. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. I will be adding about 250 grams of seedless dates. As you're cooking these, mash it into a nice paste like this. I'm mashing the dates while cooking it in the ghee. There you go, the dates paste is now ready. Get this off the heat. We'll transfer the mashed dates into the bowl of nuts and mix it. There you go, guys. The roasted nuts are perfectly blended with the dates mixture. Now this is how we're going to make the laddus, guys. There you go, guys. Our first laddu is ready. Absolutely healthy. I didn't use any sugar. I used only dates for sweetness. Our nuts laddu is ready. we'll do the same with the rest of the mixture. There you go guys, our dates laddus are now ready. There you go guys, our yummy nuts laddus for Diwali are now ready. Happy Diwali! I'm going to enjoy these laddus with my friends and family. You guys also go and enjoy now. My today's 2 cents is, let the light of Diwali guide you towards a bright and more prosperous tomorrow. Guys, let this be a season of gratitude, reflection and beautiful new beginnings. And as sparkling as diyas. Alright guys, time to let the diyas glow and the sweets flow. Catch you after the fireworks. Wishing you all continued joy and prosperity beyond this Diwali. Take care and enjoy the rest of the celebrations. Shubh Deepavali.